watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Also, don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront, which this wig and all the wigs that I have reviewed are in there. So let's get inspired by another wig from Lovestory. I actually did this wig right here for them a couple weeks ago, and I absolutely loved it. It is the cutest angled bob ever, and so excited to have that one. So this one is actually considered a dark orange, and what I'll tell you, I just did a copper wig, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be almost the exact same color. Oh no. Oh no, this one I feel, I don't know if you can really see, but it is like really a dark orange, and it is beautiful. Let's look at these gorgeous sweeping little curls down here. So she is 24 inches, and she does have some shorter layers right here in some mid-tone. So she's gonna be absolutely one of those dreamy romantic wigs that I absolutely love. So look at her, she's really great. Let's look at the wig construction. So she does actually have light lace, which is really great. She has a 2.5 inch parting, which is pretty standard for the Amazon wigs. Then she also has 2 combs right here in the side, and then she has 1 comb right here in the middle, in the back. And she does have a medium cap, so if you require a large hen friendly wig, she would work for you. Also, she is heat safe. I would say around 300-ish degrees or so if you care to heat modify her. This wig also comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and put her on. But I will be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Of course, I'll leave the links down below for that. I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous girl, for real. And of course, just to cut down on the shininess, you can of course use a little bit of baby powder or dry shampoo. I always normally dust all my wigs with a little bit of that, because why not? But oh my gosh, look at her. She actually feels really great. She doesn't feel overwhelming, which is pretty amazing. All right, so let's take a look at this lace front right here. So of course, gluing her down would be essential for keeping her completely on and just making her look really great, because you can just really flip her around and whatnot. So let's actually cut off the lace really quick. Wow, I just feel like she is such a stunner with this dark orange. Like, it's not a copper, it's really a dark orange, and I just feel like it looks amazing. I just love it. So let me just stand up a little bit. So since she does, I feel like she's probably more of that 22 inches versus 24, which is honestly perfect for me, because I feel like it's a great length. It looks more natural, if you will, with that length. Now let's just play around with the parting and see what we can do by messing with her. So let's put her on my usual side, which is my left eyebrow. See what kind of look she gives. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Definitely sultry, like classic look right here. I do love this. Okay, let's switch it to the other side. Definitely a very similar look, even though I feel like on the other side I just laid a little bit better, but you may be able to just modify that just with a little bit of heat product to give it the exact look you want. But this is pretty great too. Oh my gosh, I really love this color. Yes. Oh, and this is kind of like doing this pop-up right here. I don't know if you can see that. That's really cool. Kind of like a 60s kind of vibe right here. Love it, love it. Let's put her down the middle again. Okay, let's do it this way. Maybe we'll do a little bit more dramatic on this side. Oh, Oh yeah, of course. This is totally gonna work. Definitely dig that too. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have another dark orange wig. I would love to know and see you in this wig. And of course, this wig is from Lovestory right here. Do check it out and check out that other wig that I did from them as well. Links are down below for that. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you wearing your wigs and being as amazing as you can possibly be. So let's all empower each other every single day of our lives to be as fabulous as we can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this gorgeous dark orange romantic wig, wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you